Smart scales and smartwatches usually rely on bioelectrical impedance to calculate body fat percentage, but accurately measuring when your body is burning fat is a whole other game, and this new handheld device does exactly that. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. In a study for the scientific journal Device spotted by New Scientist, researchers created a handheld breathalyzer that can detect when your body is burning fat by measuring the amount of acetone in your breath. The study measured 12 participants burning their fat across different diets and exercises and found the breathalyzer matching traditional lab results. Scientists identify ketosis, which is the process of burning fat for energy, by either measuring ketones in your blood or acetone in your breath, as both are byproducts. As New Scientist notes, acetone tests are usually most accurate in a laboratory setting where things like humidity and breathing patterns can be controlled. The researchers in this study dodged those limitations by creating a breathalyzer that can filter out excess moisture and contaminants, and using a companion app that can guide the user through the breathing process. The app was not only able to identify when users were applying too much or too little pressure, but also help adjust when the breathalyzer collected its sample to make sure the measurement was as close as possible to what would be observed with a blood-based test. Now, the commercial name of the device the researchers used is Nutrien, and it is similar in concept to an older device called Lumen that identified fat burning using carbon dioxide rather than acetone. This could be useful in a variety of health settings, from determining whether GLP-1 therapies are effective to letting athletes to fine-tune their metabolism. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.